Worth the ticket. Can spend half day inside if you are willing to explore the whole park. Plenty of cafes. Kids' playground is very fun also, enough to drain their batteries. Jay-Z that it is quite hot inside because it is covered, no air ventilation. Journey up the park was interesting as we were ferried by a pickup truck up a bumpy slope. Highly recommend to visit this park if you are in Cameron Highlands. The park is well maintained and has a variety of flowers. There are multiple nice photo spots and you easily spend 3 to 4 hours here at the park. Tried the Hilltop Cafe and food was mediocre with a lot of flies trying to take a bite of the food. Only recommend the drinks and desserts as it is not too bad and Instagrammable, but a little pricey. It's worth for the entrance ticket price, which the place was really a great view and natural as well as spacious playground space to provide children. Each of the corners were the good spot to take the photo. It's a great place to spend a half day or so. The day will start off with an exciting 4x4 rider uphill and followed by an extensive colorful flower beds next. The flowers on the park are very pretty. The ambience is good. It was so easy to redeem the ticket. It is not too hot inside the park as well. Thanks Klug. It's an ideal destination for families, especially those who love flowers. With its charming playground, my kids are often occupied there, especially when the ladies are busy capturing photos. A nice place with natural view. The kids' playground very fun and kids can play few hours. Worth it for the tickets. Area is huge and beautiful, worth the price for the tickets, took a lot of pretty pictures. Perfect for family and couples. We were awe of the views. Limitless flowers. Fully decorated, the staff were supportive, with a baby slides. Ball pool. Amazingly beautiful and simply out of the world experience, in fact too good to be true. Only thing was too many steps to climb. Having tickets in advance made it easier, but make sure that you know the exact date you are going. This was a really pretty manicured garden. Very pretty and tranquil garden, off the beaten path. Well maintained with lots of flowers to enjoy, explore and photograph. The view at the top of the hill is amazing, and the little cafe ensures you can sit and enjoy the view. They serve very pretty cakes that look like gardens themselves. Great children area with plenty of activities to explore for them. Park at the designated car park from which you can get a free 4x4 ride up the hill to the gardens. A few places are still under renovation. The ride and merry-go-round needs payment. The Hobbitoon is not accessible unless you order a tea set meal. Overall enjoyable. Beautiful Instagrammable place, but it's too business orientated. Will require a little bit of hiking through the stairs, so take extra careful if you bring in kids, pregnant or elderly. You will need to purchase a RM288 tea set in order to enter the Hobbit Garden. Good place for family bonding. Free lorry service will send us to the location around 5 minutes drive. Location is quite big and requires plenty of footsteps, but nice scenery can stay inside at least 3 hours or more, so it's definitely worth the price.